Web Development 1, Class 13, Creating an Identity Graphic. I'm going to demonstrate the easiest way to do this. Click on this link here on the Class 13 assignment page, and that takes you to the Adobe website. Now, if you don't already have an Adobe ID, it's extremely important that you set one up. They don't cost any money, and there are a lot of benefits. Once you complete logging in to the Adobe Express website, you're going to quickly and easily create a logo. I'm going to click here where it says Search All Templates, and when I roll over that and I click in that field, I can choose logos. Now, to make this super easy, I'm going to be putting in an idea for my website, which I'm going to be focused on bike travel, and I see all of these already pre-built logos pop up. So I'll take this one here and we'll change it. We'll change some of the graphics in here. I'll select the text, and once I'm in here, I'll click Edit Text, and I'll say, just because this is my website and that's what I'm going to be focused on. And then I could choose a color that meets the specifications of the color scheme for my website. And there's lots of other things I could do. I could choose text, I can choose shapes, I can choose different design assets. Shapes are really the best thing. So I can choose this logo. I can choose this shape. I can put it in here. Maybe either lay it on top or swap it out entirely. And if I wanted to make this pop a little bit more, I could use a bit of a darker color. There, at this point, I'm ready to take this and download it. I click on Download, and I am going to download it with a transparent background. That gives me the most flexibility when I put it on my web page. So I've downloaded my logo and I've put it into my Module 13 Assets folder. I called it Logo Copy because I already had a logo in there, but I don't like to have a space in a file name, so I'll call it Logo _new. And it's a PNG file with a transparent background. So I'm inside of brackets, and I want this page to appear at the top of my web page in the header, which is normally where you will see a logo. So I'm going to put in my code, img space src equal assets, and I'm going to point to this asset logo _new. And I'm going to set a width to it because my logo should be fairly small. So I'm going to make it 200 pixels wide, and I'm going to float it to the right hand side. Let's take a look at what that will look like inside of my web page. Now we can see it's up here on the top right hand side, and with this text this should probably be even a little smaller. But the one thing that you'll obviously notice is the color scheme is different. So I might have to go back and redo my logo, or I can change my color scheme. But if I put this on every page, I'll have easily and quickly created an identity graphic for my final project. I hope you have fun doing this.